Hello, this is Steve from Steam Driven Media. Today we're bringing you another in our series of tutorials on how to use OpenCart. Today we're going to be adding new categories to your product catalog. Once you've logged into OpenCart, you'll want to go to the Catalog and then Categories section of the Administrator tools. Next, we'll select Insert, and this will bring us to our category entry page. We start by adding a category name. In this case, we're working on a jewelry website, and the category is hand-blown glass beads. Fix that typo there. We don't use the meta tag keywords anymore. The search engines stopped reading those several years ago, and really they don't help you in any way, they don't hurt you in any way, so there's no reason to actually spend any time on them. The next is the meta tag description. You can also leave this blank if you like. The search engines have gotten much better at picking up the descriptions from the pages themselves. However, if you'd like to have your specific description in the search results, we recommend that you go ahead and fill this out. In this case, what we're looking to do is create a description of your page that will entice someone to actually click on your listing as opposed to somebody else's. Generally, you'll see a list of keywords or just a jumbled mess of text underneath the search result. It looks a lot nicer when we have something that's more sales-oriented, something that will convince somebody that you're the place to go to. So we're going to go ahead and write this meta description so that hopefully the viewers at Google or any of the other major search engines will see that and come straight to your website. Next is the description that we actually see on the page. This description should be a little longer, have a little more information, and give your website viewers an idea of exactly what they're looking at. In this case, a nice description of hand-blown glass beads, where they're made, and how they're used. Next, we go to the Data tab. Normally, if you're creating a top-level category, you would leave this set at none. However, since we have multiple types of glass beads, the parent category is going to be glass beads. We have a default store. We haven't added multiple stores, so we'll just leave that at default. In your SEO keyword, this will help give you a nice keyword-rich URL that may help the search engines rank you ever so slightly better than a keyword URL that's full of numbers and letters. So in this case, we're just going to call it hand-blown glass beads. And that's it. Next, we want to assign an image to this category. So we're going to click on the camera. I like to keep our pictures organized. So what we're going to do is go to the subdirectory for this particular manufacturer. We're going to click Upload, which will take you to your computer and your hard drive, and you can select the bead or the image that you wish to represent this category. Once that's uploaded, simply scroll down to find it, double-click on it, and now we have our image. This category status is enabled. If for some reason you would like to create your categories ahead of time before you put product in them, or if you want to turn them off at some point, you can set them to disabled. Finally, we have sort order. 0 means alphabetical order. If all of your categories are labeled 0, then OpenCart will automatically sort the menu in alphabetical order. If you would like to arrange your categories in a very specific order, then you can simply change this number to anything you want and just assign the numbers lowest to highest to organize your categories. We're going to go ahead and leave this at 0. Next, we click Save, and now we have glass beads, hand-blown glass beads as a subcategory. We'll go back to the main screen and refresh our picture, and we click on glass beads, and here we go. We now have a subcategory, hand-blown glass beads. I hope this video has helped you out, and we look forward to bringing you more of these great tutorials soon. Thank you.